kind of even, right? No, that's off. Alright, so hey Girl Scouts, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So, we are doing my morning routine today. Yeah, I haven't done a morning routine and I've been actually getting into a habit of doing things. So I thought, you know, might as well do one. So this is my morning routine. I woke up extra early today, so it usually starts a little bit later, but this is what usually happens. So yeah, enjoy the video. Bye! Alright guys, so today I woke up at 4:30. I know it's really early, but the first thing I do is get out of bed, obviously, and then I will head into the bathroom. So yeah, that's me. Hi. So the first thing I'll do is just put my hair up and wash my face, and I'm using the Clean and Clear Morning Burst one, and that's my morning face. Yes, I'm very tired, especially when I wake up at 4:30, which is usually only on Fridays. So yeah, I'll just wash my face and then dry it off. The next thing I do is brush my stink teeth, because everyone has a stink mouth in the morning, so you want to brush it. Alright, so the next thing I do is go wake up my sister, because we go to the gym together in the morning. This is the last one I'm going to this. Get out! Alright guys, so after waking her up, I have to change into my gym clothes. So, oh, boom, there it is. Okay guys, so this is my gym attire. I'm wearing this sweater. It's from like this liquidation store in Calgary, and then I'm wearing leggings from Costco. Yeah. Let's go get this bread. So after changing, I head out of my room and I start to go downstairs. Abuse! So once I'm done, I just grab my stuff and then we head out the door for the gym. And there's me working out. Yes, wow, we love a skinny legend. So I usually stay at the gym for 45 to an hour depending on the day, but I will have a workout routine. If you guys want one, let me know in the comments below and I will do one for you. So once I'm done at the gym, I'm home now and I will just go in the kitchen. Treat? Honey, you want a treat? Baby wants a treat. You want a treat? You want a treat? You want a treat? Oh, you want a treat? So I'll have tea every morning. This is just the Lipton Peach Mango tea, and I'll just use the Keurig to use hot water. Then I'll head to my room. Harley! Oh, you look so cute. I have to make up my bed, you rat. So as soon as I go upstairs, usually I will make up my bed, because my mom will literally kill me if I don't. And I have OCD and my room has to be clean. So yeah, I make up my bed basically whenever I get home from the gym, whatever time that is, but yes. So because Brittany's in the shower usually when we come home, I just chill on my bed for a little bit until I can shower and just drink my tea and then go on my phone until I can shower. once I finish showering, I'll go back in my room and change back into my pajamas if it's still early, like it was 6:30 here, and I will go watch Netflix because I love Netflix, and I'll just watch some TV shows or movies. I've been watching the show Inuyasha. I used to watch it all the time, and I'm rewatching it for the 30th time, so yeah, that's what I'll do. And then I'll just go on my phone if I get bored and do whatever I want. So usually later in the morning, around like 10ish, I'll start getting ready. If I'm going out for errands or doing whatever or filming a video, I'll get ready. If not, I'll just stay with no makeup and not do anything. But yes, I'm just gonna get ready. So yeah, this is my finished makeup. Ooh, she cute or whatever. So after that, I'll change into clothes, and I usually wear sweatpants because I'm a lazy bum and I don't care what I look like. So yeah, that finishes my morning routine. I love you guys. Don't forget to love yourself, and peace out, Girl Scouts.